What's up, everybody? This is the math committee. I'm going to go over a couple of slides going over our quarterly review for third quarter. So a couple things that we had going on in third quarter was our science fair was a huge hit. And as our math committee, we tagged along with that and did a math and a science night for both of those subjects as one. We thought that'd be a good team to go through. So here are a couple of pictures. So we had math tables set up. We had K1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, our tables set up. And we went over math data, math skills, math manipulatives to give to parents as they were looking through the science fair and throughout the projects. A couple more just little pictures of us and of the parents and students that were here that showed up for that night. So it was a really good turnout. Got to show off the students' work with the science fair projects, and also got a chance to go over some math skills and some math data as well on that night. So the big thing that we're working on for fourth quarter is our EOG scavenger hunt. We are partnering with the ELA and the English committee to go over and have some different rooms similar to the field from last year. What that looked like with our kickoff for our EOGs. So we'll have a kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth grade room for our scavenger hunt. And then we'll have all the different math activities of things that are the most important for that grade level. And then we'll also have reading in English, checking out books, taking home books, different things, different fun activities that are set up throughout the school. It was a huge hit, huge success last year, so we're hoping for that again. So we'll be working on that all of fourth quarter, planning that and making sure that everything is in place. So until next quarterly review, thanks again from the math committee.